I'm with George from Formax, and he's going to remind me of some of the fun I had in my youth with something we haven't seen in a while, but he's introducing back into the market. George?
This is the MoleWing-E, which is basically a copy of the old Zaggy.
Yes.
So yeah, we've got it here today. We've got it with the Formax value motor, 2200 kV. Has unlimited performance with this at the moment. So, but we will also be trying later on the black motor that we sell, which is more of a high performance motor, and we'll see what it goes like with that.
So this video we're going to show it on your
with the value motor,
your value budget pack.
Budget pack.
Speed controller in that as well, and the servos.
30 amp speed controller, the 3-cell 2200 battery. And these are full-size servos as the cutout.
How easy for somebody to put one of these together? Just illustrate for me how the kit arrives.
Very easy. Basically, you join the wings are polystyrene. They join together with a bit of epoxy. You cut a slot for a spar, and then that's really the majority of it. Then you have this moulding here, which is held in place with tape. You glue the underneath here. There's a little ply structure which you glue in, and that holds the plate for the outrunner. A lot of people fly these on inrunners, but I personally prefer the outrunner option. Yeah.
And then you decide on the scheme you want to put on top. You've gone for something very patriotic.
The kit comes with fiberglass reinforced tape, which you put across the wing, top and bottom, and it also comes with a roll of white tape, which you can do. In this case, I've used vinyl, so I've got red, white, and blue vinyl.
Sticky back vinyl?
Sticky back vinyl.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which they use for signs on cars and that sort of stuff.
Oh, okay. Right. Brilliant. Okay.
So let's have a go.
So let's have a go. It's available on your shop.
www.for-max.co.uk.
All right. Here we go. Right. Here we go.
Cruising around on just under half throttle and then full throttle. He's unlimited vertical. And yet she will glide quite nicely as well.
Yeah, catch a thermal, George.
Today, maybe.
Yeah, nice day today. Nice. So, available on ford-max.co.uk.
That's correct, yeah.
Thanks very much, George.